Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am showing you a very common Windows 11 problem. The Wi-Fi option suddenly disappears from your PC. No matter what you try, it's just not there. In the Action Center, you can see Bluetooth is there, but no Wi-Fi. Even if you go to the setting and then go to the network and internet, and you will see the Ethernet option. But Wi-Fi is missing completely. In this video, I will walk you through different methods to bring back the missing Wi-Fi option on your PC. So let's try each method one by one. First of all, let's start with the built-in Windows troubleshooter. Sometimes this alone can fix the missing Wi-Fi problem without doing anything complicated. Okay, so click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on System from the left-hand menu. Now scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Inside the Troubleshoot menu, click on Other Troubleshooter. Then you will find Network and Internet in the list. So just click the Run button next to it, and Windows will now start scanning for issues related to its Wi-Fi connection and settings. If it finds a problem, it will try to fix it automatically. Sometimes this works and sometimes it does not. If it does not, move to the second method. Before we dive deeper, let's quickly check whether this is a hardware problem or just a Windows network connection issue. So go to the search bar, type CMD, then right click command prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now you need to type one command, 127.0.0.1, and press enter. If you see replies like this, that means Windows network system is working fine and the Wi-Fi hardware is not faulty. In short, you can say the issue is most likely with driver, service or settings, not the physical adapter. But if you see a general failure or 100% packet loss, it means Windows can't communicate with its own loopback address. This usually points to a driver or setting issue. So we will fix that in the next step. Sometimes the Wi-Fi option is there, but it's just stuck due to the temporary glitch. So disabling and enabling the adapter can refresh the connection and bring Wi-Fi back instantly. Okay, so for that, open the control panel and go to the network and internet. On the left side, click on Change Adapter Setting. Here look for an icon named Wi-Fi. If you see it, right click on it and choose Disable. And wait for a few seconds, then right click again and choose Enable. This will refresh the network adapter and can fix the missing Wi-Fi issue. But if you don't see Wi-Fi listed over here, it means the driver is missing or not listed properly. In that case, you need to move to the next step where we will check the device manager for missing driver. So search for device manager in the Start menu and open it. Now expand network adapter. If you see your Wi-Fi driver here, it could be named like something like Intel, Qualcomm, Broadcom, Realtek, etc. So right click on it and choose Scan for hardware changes. If you don't see any Wi-Fi driver, just click on View in the top menu and select Show Hidden Device. Sometimes your Wi-Fi adapter is hidden and enabling these options will reveal it. Okay, but if you still can't find it, so just click on the Action menu and select Scan for hardware changes. And you can see in my case, my Wi-Fi adapter appears here after scanning. To reinstall the driver, we need to right click on your Wi-Fi driver, then click on Update Driver. Then select Browse my computer for driver. Then let me pick from a list of available drivers and make sure Show Compatible Hardware is ticked. And then try installing the driver listed one by one and check if they work. If that does not fix it, so right click the driver and choose Disable Device. Then right click again and select Enable Device. If it's still not working, right click and choose Uninstall Device. Then restart your PC and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver for you. Alright, if the previous method did not work, the issue might be that your Wi-Fi service is turned off. So to check this, click on the search icon and here you need to type services. Then click to open the service window. Here you need to scroll down and until you find WLAN auto config option. As you can see, it's showing disable. If the service is stopped, your Wi-Fi options won't show up at all. So let's make sure it's running. So double click on the WLAN auto config and set the startup type to automatic. Then click apply, then click start to run the service. Once it's started, click OK to save the changes. Now check if the Wi-Fi option has appeared. So in my case, you can see it's now showing in the action center. And if I go to the network and internet setting, my Wi-Fi option is also visible over here. That means the problem has been resolved in my case. But if this does not solve the problem in your case, you can check the next step. So press Windows+R to open the run command and type misconfig and hit enter. In the system configuration window, if all services are already checked, first click disable all. Then click enable all. Click apply and OK. Then restart your device. If the issue still persists, let's move to the next method. If none of the quick fixes work, we will do a complete network reset. This puts all networking components back to a factory default and force Windows to reinstall your network adapter. So click the start button and open settings. Then go to the network and internet. Scroll down and click advanced network setting. At the bottom, select network reset. Then click reset now. A confirmation will pop up. Just click yes. As soon as you confirm, Windows schedule a reset. You might see a message saying your PC will restart in a few minutes. You can wait for the countdown. Alright, if nothing else worked, this last step often does the trick because it resets the core networking components in Windows. So for that, click on the search icon and type CMD. In the search result, right click command prompt and choose run as administrator. Now type the first command, which is netsh space winshock space reset and hit enter. You should see a message like successfully reset the Winshock catalog. After that, go to the next command, netsh space int space ip space reset and hit enter. This one resets TCP IP. Okay. You may see lines like resetting OK and restart the computer to complete this action. These changes only take effect after a restart. Okay, after the restart, most missing Wi-Fi issue come back to life. If your Wi-Fi toggle is back and working, you are done. And that's it guys. These are the most effective ways to fix Wi-Fi not showing on Windows 11. I hope this helps you get your Wi-Fi back. If it worked for you, drop a comment, hit like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.